I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Breakdance. To successfully integrate with Breakdance, select Bid Integration Pro from the Forms Actions setting. Now navigate Breakdance Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Bid Integrations Pro from drop-down. Click the Save button to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Sendy. To get API key, go to Sendy Dashboard. Click your account in the top right side corner, then click Setting. Now navigate your API key section. Copy the API key. Paste it here. Now copy the domain name, that is Sendy URL. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the brand and list. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Sendy. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now navigate Sendy brand page and click View All List. Select the list. Here is the data that came into Sendy through the integration. Thanks for watching.